Right guys, what do we have here? Coming up to Christmas, and I was sent in this carpenter's pencil set from a company called Stageek, if you can see there, and it's got like an array of pencils and markers and erasers and sharpener and a punch there and all that kind of stuff, and it comes in a nice sort of plastic case, really nice. This would be a great gift for a woodworker for Christmas. Just let's open it up there. You can see what's in there. So you've got like the 3 long nose pencils here. Let's get one out. Get one out the box. Good, nice, solid construction. These fit the 2.8mm leads, and they've got the, if you go into here, they've got a sharpener inbuilt in each one of them there, which screws back on, and there's also a spare sharpener there, small one, and there's this one here as well. So you've got a couple of spare bits and pieces there. So the colour coordinated, so obviously you've got your red leads, you've got your yellow leads, you've got some blue, green, white, and you've got your normal coloured leads there. So these are 2.8mm, so they should be nice and strong. Also in there you've got a centre punch. What we'll do, we'll go through these as we do the video, show you what they all sort of do and what they look like. Nice quality steel construction punch there. Just let me get a bit of wood. I know my workbench is my workbench, but, and we'll come back to that in a minute because I'll show you what that can be used for. Obviously a lot of you know what they can be used for. You've got an eraser there, so if you're like doing a mark and you're just marking it lightly, you can just get it out if you do it wrong. A nice little scribe there, scribing tool. You've got your long nose markers, red. These are really handy, really handy. And again, I will come back and show you applications for that. What you could do with these is, if you're drilling into a wall, you could sort of mark onto the wall, onto bits of wood together. So you've got the black, you've got a yellow, sort of for darker woods. This here, I'm not sure what it is. It's some sort of like a scriber or marker or something like that. I'll have to check on the website what that is, but that is really good quality. All turned engineering up and down there. Nice solid weight to it. That is nice. Yeah, it's a marker. Yeah, some form of marker anyway, but I'll have a look at that. And in the video, what I'm going to be doing is, they've sent me another one, so I'm going to be doing this one as the giveaway. So at the end of the video, I'll tell you all the sort of what you have to do to maybe win this one. You know, really handy to have. And you've got the red, you've got the black, you've got the red long nose marker, spare sharpener, spare eraser, and all the various colour leads. So that's a nice little giveaway for somebody, and I'll put all the details into the video at the end. But that again is really cool. So yeah, let's get back to this. And where's that gone? So what we have here, we have obviously the yellow. Simply you just press it down. This has got a dark lead in it at the moment, but again, if I, where are we? Come here, come here, come here. Sort of nice and easy, and you can go through an hole. So if you're going through an hole, you can reach them deep sort of crevices, that kind of thing. Have they all got the dark leads in there? Yeah, they've all got the dark leads in there, but you can swap them out to the yellow lead. So I will swap that out. So as you can see there, I've swapped that lead out to a yellow lead. So if you're working on darker woods, just took the lead out. If you're working on darker woods there, let's have a look now. You can see that mark. So if that was on darker, like a walnut or a mahogany or something like that, you can see it stands out more than a normal one. Well, it does here when you're looking at it. I don't know how you're picking it up on camera, but obviously this wood's a bit darker because it's been a treated wood. And they are nice, solid and strong. Nice tip to them, and all you've got to do is pull that end off, sharpen it up, and away you go. In the pack here, what I've just noticed, when you pull these 2.8mm leads out, just put that there so I don't lose anything, you've got another section under here with more. So these are 2mm, and these are for these sort of aluminium, steel. Don't know if that body there is a plastic or a resin, but this is like a steel with like engineered turning there. Again, these are 2mm. So let's get it on a bit of lighter wood so you can see that. There you go. Feel really nice in the hand. And you've got red, yellow and black again, so you could retrofit the red lead into that and the yellow into the corresponding one. But again, nice bit of kit. So in all, you've got sort of like the carpenters ones there at the end. Then you've got these sort of mechanical sort of pencils here. You've got this, what I'm going to have to sort of look up to see what it actually is. It's some form of marker, that is. And then these long nose markers. Again, let's try the red. But if you can imagine, if there's an hole there going through and you need to mark and you need to cut, you could put that right through. This is not gone right through, so I can't show you, but obviously you'd sort of have that mark on there if you're going through there, and then you just drill into that, so to speak. Really nice quality again. Mark really well. Yeah, really nice. Nice kit. Nice kit. So you can, I'll put links down in the description to the Stageek website where you can go and have a look. They're also on Instagram, that kind of thing. So go and check them out on there. If you're watching from Instagram or watching one of these little bits from Instagram, I will put links and live links where you can. But what a nice set for a Christmas present for a woodworker, that type of thing. I'd be more than happy with that. And like I say, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with this one, so I'll keep them peeled. At the end of the video, I'm going to let you know how you can get your hands on that set. So anyway, let's get to doing a bit of marking out and, you know, drilling and whatever. So changing over the leads couldn't be easier on these. Just unscrew that bit, and then that sort of like comes off, so you've got two sections there, and then pull the lead out. This is red, so let's get a red one in. Back in. And then what you do, you sort of pull that back. I'm probably doing this all wrong. Until they sort of open up. Press the lead in, so as far as it can go, and then release. And then obviously that there, and then that simply screws back on. And there we go. Whoa. Don't break it, Billy, don't break it. And look at that, red lead. And again, the 2mm lead is nice and strong. Can't fault that. I am just going to put that back in there, that lead, because I want to keep these. You know, these are mine, these are what I'm going to be using. So let's get right, let's do it this way. Let's use the red. So what you can do, just show you a few things out of the kit. Mark your line. So you want to make your lines nice and neat on your piece of work. Get your punch. Get your thing, just get it to a mark. So if I go 7, and then I want to go to 5, and I want to go to 3, so there's a 2 centimetre gap. So that's now giving your screws something to bite into. Normally if this was a thin piece of wood, you'd pre-drill first if it's going into another piece of wood, but obviously your screw end fits in there like that. Just let me get another one in. Right then. And then 1. So again, in your woodworking, marking's a nice big thing. So like nice and sort of level like that, you're just using the red marker. And then obviously, if you've sort of like this, let's cut this open, this eraser. Just get it open. I don't want to cut my fingers. So if you've sort of like marked, say you wanted to mark sort of here, you're marking across, and then you sort of like slightly come off it a bit, sort of there. Let's do the red one as well, like that, sort of. And then obviously whatever marks wrong, you can erase it out on your workpiece. Again, nice and simple, like that. So nothing's getting damaged, nothing's getting wasted. Nice and lightly. But yeah, again, so it's just a little nice addition to have. You don't normally get them, but it's nice to have. So anyway, guys, that's them. I like them, I really like them. Let me know in the comments what you think. I would be really happy to know what your thoughts are on these. I quite like them. Whether you've had the Stageek ones, but you know, I've checked them out, seem a really good company. The product is good, and the price, you know, you're not getting them cheaper anywhere else, to be perfectly honest with you. The price is sort of really good. You got a punch marker, a razor, loads of different leads. How long's that gonna last you for? The long nose markers, this here. I don't want to damage the end of it because I'm not sure what it is. If you guys in the comments would let me know, I don't want to. I'm sure that is, you know, like if you were doing sort of marking to a line, like a knife. That's what that is. That is brilliant. Yeah, sort of like, I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, that mark. You sort of can see it there as I'm going. You can see it there. It's like a marking knife. I'm sure it is. If that's what that is, that's really good. No, if you've got a dovetail marker or something like that, you know. I'm not doing dovetails, obviously. I'm no good with dovetails. That's another skill I've got to sort of learn at some point. But yeah, seems to be a marker. So this is the carpenter set anyway. Right, rules of the giveaway, sort of competition-y type thing. It's not a competition, it's the giveaway. So you've got to be subscribed to my woodworking channel and give this video a thumbs up. Now if you like woodworking, I hope to God you'll like my channel. So we have a woodworking channel out once a week, a woodworking build video out once a week, and I'm going to be upping that to 2 with random videos throughout the week. and you can help support the channel by joining our memberships and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's that bit out of the way. So what you've got to do is be subscribed, number one, to the channel. Hit the thumbs up, and then what I want you to write in the comments is the word Stageek. There, can you see it? Hope you can see it, the light's shining on the thing there, on the case. Sorry about that. And what you would actually use this set for, whether you would give it as a giveaway to somebody that's starting woodworking for a Christmas present, somebody who's starting out, whether you'd be keeping it yourself, what sort of projects you'd be using it on, anything in the comments like that that's woodworking related and why you'd want to keep this. So anyway, this is a really nice set. I really do like it. It is good quality, and you've got all the leads there. Them leads are gonna absolute last you for ages. You've got 2 sets of each leads there. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe, the thumbs up, and write in the comments why you would use this. And don't forget the word Stageek. And what I will do on one of my upcoming videos, I will randomly pick somebody and announce it on the video, and we'll sort of communicate some roles so I can get this sent out to you. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Even if you don't want to be part of this giveaway, help a small channel out. And yeah, Stageek Carpenters pencil set.